Rust-Oleum has developed Epoxy Shield Garage Floor Coating, a two-part water-based epoxy coating system that provides superior protection and durability in just one coat. Epoxy Shield is a high-performance, easy-to-apply garage floor coating. Preparation is key to a lasting finish, so it's important that you follow all preparation and application instructions carefully. Be aware that not all surfaces are suitable for painting. Check your surface for sealant, poorly bonded previous paint, moisture in the concrete, loose or poorly cured concrete, or concrete dust. If you suspect your floor has any of these conditions, test the surfaces as directed on the Epoxy Shield Garage Floor instruction sheet. Apply the coating when the air temperature is 60 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit and when the floor is a minimum of 55 degrees Fahrenheit. First, use Epoxy Shield heavy-duty degreaser or a solvent like mineral spirits and use a scrub brush to remove any oil or grease spots on the floor. Scrub the spots thoroughly and absorb excess cleaner with rags or paper towels. Rinse completely to remove all cleaner and contaminants. Repair damaged areas with Epoxy Shield Concrete Patch and Repair and allow it to fully cure before proceeding. Next, prepare the entire surface using the concentrated cleaner included in the kit. Mix the concentrated cleaner with 2 gallons of water until all cleaner is dissolved. Use a plastic watering can to help you evenly distribute the solution. Pre-wet the whole floor using a hose. Then, spread the cleaner solution over the surface in 10-foot by 10-foot sections. Work the solution into the concrete using a stiff bristle brush. As each section is completed, rinse thoroughly with water, continuing to scrub with the brush to help move dirt and contaminants out of the garage. Here's a tip. Use an inexpensive foam squeegee to most effectively move dirt and water out and speed drying time. Rinse and squeegee twice before moving on to the next section. Once all sections are completed, rinse and squeegee the entire floor to remove any cleaner that may have been trapped on previously cleaned areas. A wet-dry vacuum can also be used to eliminate excess water, dirt, and contaminants. Allow the entire surface to dry completely. Wipe your fingers over the clean, dry floor. If you see any dust or powder on your fingers, repeat the rinsing and scrubbing until the floor is clean. Next, activate the Epoxy Shield system by pouring all of Part A into Part B. Stir thoroughly with the mixing stick for at least 3 minutes. After stirring, check the temperature charts in the Epoxy Shield Garage Floor instruction sheet for the appropriate application times. This allows Epoxy Shield to fully activate. Once mixed, the product must be used within the time indicated in the charts. Do not leave the mixed product in direct sunlight. Stir the mixture one more time before applying. Note that painted floors may be slippery when wet. If desired, add Epoxy Shield anti-skid additive to the mixed coating to create a slip-resistant surface. If using more than one kit, do not mix kits at the same time. To ensure even gloss and color, the coating must be applied within the time stated in the charts. And here's a tip. After activating, check the temperature charts in the instruction sheet to see when you can start trimming around the perimeter and on hard-to-reach areas. Then, use a roller to apply the coating in 4-foot by 4-foot sections. Once a section is completed, sprinkle the decorative chips over the wet film. Continue in this manner until the entire floor is complete. Epoxy Shield is a low-odor, environmentally friendly coating, and cleanup is easy. Just use soap and water to clean your hands and tools. The surface should be ready for light foot traffic in about 12 to 16 hours. Wait 24 to 48 hours before placing heavy items on the floor, and allow the floor to cure for 7 days before parking vehicles on the surface.